Let's face it, life loves throwing curveballs at us when we least expect it. Kind of like that time your cat decided your laptop keyboard was the perfect spot for an impromptu nap during a crucial Zoom meeting. Here's your 6-step guide to tackling those pesky obstacles head-on. Step 1. Accept that you're in the soup. First things first, stop pretending everything's fine while internally screaming. Acceptance isn't just for Zen masters and yoga instructors. It's for anyone who's tired of banging their head against the wall. Metaphorically, please. Embrace the mess you're in. Like accepting that your attempt at meal prep resulted in something that looks more crime scene than Pinterest-worthy. Step 2. Break it down like a bad dance move. Take that massive, terrifying problem and chop it into smaller, less scary pieces. Think of it as turning your climb Mount Everest into first. Learn to put on hiking boots without falling over. Step 3. Phone a friend or your mom. Remember how in Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Contestants could call for help? Life's kind of the same, minus the $1 million. Reach out to your support system. They're probably waiting for an excuse to share their unsolicited advice anyway. Step 4. Make a game plan, but actually follow it. Write down your strategy, and unlike your New Year's resolutions, actually stick to it. Pro tip: making the plan while eating chocolate increases success rates by 73%. This statistic is completely made up, but chocolate helps anyway. Step 5. Take action even if it's clumsy. Perfect is the enemy of done. Start moving forward even if you look like a baby giraffe learning to walk. Remember, even Olympic athletes probably fell on their faces a few times before winning gold. Step 6. Celebrate small wins. Like you've won the Olympics. Did you make one phone call you've been dreading? Time for a victory dance. Solved a minor part of the problem? That deserves a trophy, or at least a cookie. Building momentum through celebration is like giving yourself a high five. A bit weird, but surprisingly effective. Remember, every major success story started with someone facing a challenge and thinking, well, this is inconvenient. You've got this, and even if you don't, at least you'll have some funny stories to tell later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more self-improvement content, and let's reach for that extra % every day.